Happy Valentine's Day. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market alert for Monday, February 14th. Andy Myers is off today. Stock futures are little changed this morning following last week's strong gains, which saw the Dow Industrial Average tack on 1.5%. Traders are likely holding their breath before the official release of President Obama's latest budget proposal, which is scheduled to go to Congress sometime today. Early reports claim the proposal projects a $1.6 trillion shortfall this year, but promises to make up $1.1 in savings over the next decade through spending cuts and tax increases. Meanwhile, Asian stocks rallied overnight. The Shanghai index gained a solid 2.5% on well-received import and export figures. Japanese shares were also up, despite news that the country's economy shrank in the fourth quarter of 2010. This means China's economy has now officially surpassed Japan's to take the world's number 2 position. In Europe, stocks are also moderately higher so far. One stock to watch this morning will be Nokia. The mobile device maker's stock is down 4% in pre-market trading after a JP Morgan analyst downgrade. Overall, investors have been reacting unfavorably to last week's announcement that the company would be partnering with Microsoft to develop new devices. It will be a fairly light day for earnings reports and economic releases, though we will be getting results from 2 companies in the leisure industry. MGM Resorts releases its numbers before the opening bell, and Marriott issues its report after today's close. Last but not least, we did see a couple of M&A deals over the weekend. EchoStar announced its intent to purchase broadband satellite company Hughes Communication for roughly $2 billion. The deal represents a discount to Hughes' closing price on Friday, and the shares were off in pre-market trading. Separately, General Electric said it would buy UK-based the John Wood Group's well support business for $2.8 billion. The deal is subject to shareholder approval and should close later this year. That's the latest from Weiss Research. I'll be back after the opening bell with more on the early market action.